Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for apple. A. A for arrow. B. B for ball. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. C. C for cap. D. D for dog. D for diamond. E. E for egg. E. E for eggplant. Green color. F. F for fish. F. F for fruits. G for guava. G. G for guitar. H. H for house. H. H for hand. I. I for ice cream. I for ink. J. J for joker. J. J for jackfruit. Blue color. K. K for king. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L. L for lime. M. M for mango. M. M for magic. N. N for nose. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. O. O for owl. Red color. P. P for piano. P. P for papaya. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for quiz. R. R for ring. For red. Pink color. S. S for star. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tomato. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vegetable. V. V for village. Purple color. W. W for water. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X. X for Christmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Y. Y for yellow color. Y. Y for yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A. We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.